Bonjour Anna. I don't know if you remember, but a few weeks ago we used a different method for you to learn French. So I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna come back to what we were doing. So the words ending in ibon stay the same in French. Possible, possible, possible. Et bon word stays the same in French. So table is table in French. Confortable, possible, table, confortable. It is can be that is, it is, or c'est. There's an expression we use in English is c'est la vie. C'est la vie, it is a life. C'est la vie. So I want to say it's possible, c'est possible. It is comfortable, c'est confortable with an N in French. Okay. I can also say, there is a small mistake here, c'est adorable. No, c'est adorable, adorable. C'est bon, c'est bien. You're gonna notice that good can mean bon, bien. And bien normally the transition is well, but we cannot say it's well. Well, it's good, it's nice. Okay. So it's very good, c'est très bon. It is very comfortable, c'est très confortable. Probable, acceptable. It is acceptable, c'est acceptable. C'est acceptable. For me, pour moi. It is for me, c'est pour moi. It is for you, c'est pour vous, and it's formal. And if I want to be informal, c'est pour toi. It is for you, c'est pour vous, or c'est pour toi. It's very comfortable for me, c'est très confortable pour moi. It is not, ce n'est pas. C'est, ce n'est pas. The negative form in French is two words. Ne pas, and in between we have a verb. It's not for me, thank you. Ce n'est pas pour moi, merci. Thanks, merci. No thanks, non merci. So we know, c'est, ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas pour moi. There is a circumflex. There is an apostrophe. Not for me, thanks. Pas pour moi, merci. It's not very comfortable for me. Ce n'est pas très confortable pour moi. Comme ci, comme ça, so so. The literal transition is like this, like that. So it's not like that, or it's not that way. You know, we can adapt to the right transition in English, but I want to also make sense, well, somewhat sense in French. So it's like that, c'est comme ça. It's not like that, ce n'est pas comme ça. It's not possible for me that way, ce n'est pas possible pour moi comme ça. You can say that way, like that. It's not possible for me like that, ce n'est pas possible pour moi comme ça. I'm sorry, je suis désolé. Je suis désolé, mais. I'm sorry, but it's not very comfortable for me that way. So you can pause here and be like, okay, let me see here. Je suis désolé, mais ce n'est pas très confortable pour moi comme ça. I'm sorry, but it's not acceptable for me that way. Je suis désolé, mais ce n'est pas acceptable pour moi comme ça. Remarkable, remarquable, but we don't have a K. We're going to have a QU. C'est très remarquable, considérable. So we see that the ibon and able formula is, well, the words stay the same, different pronunciation, same meaning. We have a same formula with the words ending in ENT and ANT. So what does that mean? Well, that means they are similar. Different, différent. Important, important. So it's not very difficult. There was a mistake as well here. So it's not very different that way. Ce n'est pas très différent comme ça. So we keep the same. We're not going to say difficult. But it is very important for me. Mais c'est très important pour moi. We say très important. Evident, évident. Récent, constant. Another formula is words ending in A or Y. Words become R, like the letter. Okay, it's like the sound is like the letter R in French. So if I have necessary, it's going to become nécessaire. And it's not necessary for me, ce n'est pas nécessaire pour moi. Contrary, contraire. On the contrary, au contraire. Military, militaire. Vocabulary, vocabulaire. I would like, je voudrais. Je voudrais parler français. Avec vous, avec moi. Well, I'm not going to speak French with myself, well, you know. So with me, with you, okay? But I would like to speak French with you. Je voudrais parler français avec vous ou avec toi. Voulez-vous? So here, if I want to say, will you speak French with me? I can also say, do you want, would you like? Because for us French, it's going to be the same translation, okay? Well, we could be a tiny bit more formal, but let's simplify here. We want to simplify. So that means, will you speak French with me? Means, voulez-vous parler français avec moi? Okay. So, but I prefer to say, do you want to speak French with me? Because I want to use want. Do you want to come with me? Voulez-vous, veux-tu, hein, can also be casual, veux-tu venir avec moi? It's like, will you eat? Do you want? So let's forget about the will you. We're gonna just say, do you want? Do you want to speak French? Do you want to come with me? Do you want to eat? Voulez-vous? Veux-tu manger avec moi? Okay? So here we can do a lot of stuff, but I just want you to remember, do you want? Voulez-vous? Veux-tu? Where do you want to go? You see, they're using here do you, and here we have will you, so we can have somewhat the same translation. So where do you want to go? Où voulez-vous aller? Where do you want to go eat? Où voulez-vous aller manger? It's very common in French to use two verbs like that. Tonight, this evening, ce soir. If you want to order and they ask you, would you like to have your order ready? It's for tonight, c'est pour ce soir. And when you want to organize something, it's for tonight, c'est pour ce soir. It's for me, c'est pour moi. Where do you want to go eat tonight? Où voulez-vous, veux-tu, aller manger ce soir? To have dinner is dîner. Where do you want to have dinner tonight? Où voulez-vous dîner ce soir? Do you want to come have dinner with me tonight? Veux-tu, voulez-vous venir dîner avec moi ce soir? So we don't have to say to come have dinner. We can just say to have dinner. We saw also savoir, to know. That can be savoir en connaître. Let's stay with savoir for the time being. Je voudrais savoir. I would like to know where it is. Je voudrais savoir où c'est. There is an accent here. Où. I would like to know how much it is. Je voudrais savoir combien c'est. Something, quelque chose. The thing is la chose. It's feminine. The same thing is la même chose. I would like to eat something. Je voudrais manger quelque chose. I would like to eat the same thing. Je voudrais manger la même chose. Do you want to eat something? Veux-tu, voulez-vous manger quelque chose? Do you want to eat the same thing? Voulez-vous, veux-tu manger la même chose? The same thing for me, please. La même chose pour moi, s'il vous plaît. I would like the same thing for me, please. Je voudrais la même chose pour moi, s'il vous plaît. So we can drop some stuff, it's just for the sake of remembering the different puzzles here. The last formula I would like to give you is the words ending in ence. E-N-C-E or A-N-C. These are nouns. So we saw the adjective before, different, différent, important, important. But now we have the nouns. the difference, the importance. So, and they are all feminine. Différence, préférence is preference, and it's the same. I would just add 2 accents here. Importance, influence. So, la différence, une différence. So, the difference is la différence. A difference, une différence. What difference, quelle différence? We saw that before, and it's feminine, so we have this what feminine version. Huh? So the preference is la préférence. We just add an accent here and here. Une préférence. Quelle préférence? Do you have a preference? Avez-vous une préférence? Or as-tu et s -tu. What preference do you have? Quelle préférence avez-vous? Okay, I don't like too much this syntax here, but we can just say, what restaurant do you have a preference tonight for? What for? Okay. What kind of restaurant do you have a preference for tonight? Pour quel restaurant avez-vous une préférence ce soir? But the French are going to use the for before. So for what restaurant do you have a preference tonight? Which is not a good syntax, okay, in English. So what is your preference? We can say that. Quelle est ta préférence? Because we know preference is feminine. Another formula is the words ending in -on, and they're all feminine as well. We have like 3 exceptions. They stay normally the same, but with some exceptions. A few, not too many. Opinion, condition. So we're gonna say la condition, l'opinion with L', en une condition, une opinion. Okay? We're gonna say here, I'm gonna stick to this, and